Hello guys and welcome to Computer Coder.
In this video we're going to solve today's daily challenge. So today's daily challenge is function custom splits. So let us get into the questions. The function method custom split accept two argument str and delimiter. Then the character array str represents the string value and the delimiter represents a character. The function method split must split the given string based on the given delimiter. At least one character other than the delimiter is always present in the given string, and they need to need to declare the custom split method. So guys, here is our sample input and output. So first we must accept a string or a character array, then a delimiter. Then based on the delimiter we need to split the string into different words like C, then DEBL, then CKS. Yes, here is our output. So let us code for it. So we just need to implement the split custom split method. So I can go for that. First let me declare the bounded array of name b array equal to the return type must be an bounded array, and then let me declare size in the bounded array as 0. And also let me declare the words. And it must be a type of character array, double matrix. Must be 1000. Then let me initialize the position of particular array to 0 and new one. So guys, size is an size of our so guys, bound array of size will represent the size of our word array. So let us assign our words in a for loop. Integer, let int be the index of str array, and it should not be a null. Then index incrementation. Whenever I encounter an delimiter like O or this O, I must skip that particular iteration. For that, str of index is equal to delimiter. I'll be performing my continue. Then I'll be assigning my is new to 0. Then whenever my is new is 0, then I'll be creating a new array. Is new equal to 0, I'll be creating my boundedArray word. And I'll be incrementing the size too. Then I'll be assigning is new to 0. So I have initialized my array, so I no need of is new anymore now, so I can assign to 1. Then I will be assigning the position to 0. The position which is represented as it can be used as the position of the current string need to be inserted. So until that, next the words of array of size -1, and the position will be, and also I can increment the position to of index. And I can assign null to the end of each string. That's it, guys. Then finally I can return my boundedArray. So let me try to execute this with the sample input. So guys, let me try to execute this program now. Yeah, we need to pass the sample input. Yes guys, we have successfully executed our first input. Let me try with the second input. Yeah, okay guys, we have successfully executed our today's daily challenge program. So thank you for watching. Until then, bye.